Ndeyemavhiti. Ndeyemavhiti. So guys, it's raining. Raining in Harare, guys. It's floods here. Totally floods. And people are stuck, as you can see, guys. People are stuck here. As you can see, people are stuck. There's no way. There's no way. So that's my car there. And I was stuck also. There's no way, guys. It's floods. Floods in Harare, guys. It's floods in Harare, guys. The situation is terrible, as you can see, guys. My boss. So you are crossing at your own risk? Yeah, because it's floods. Floods. Crossing at your own risk. There's no way here. Look at that one. Guys, everyone is now risking. Inda yenyu mudhara ini ndiri kutoitawo zvandiri kutoitawo hangu. Yeah. So we are walking on this path, guys, because there's no way to walk here. Everywhere is flooded. Yeah, mnyepe. That's the situation we have, guys. These are floods, boss. So now there's no one who wants to come out of this path. That's the situation. What are you guys?
잠깐만. 야, 배부가 물에 가. 아, 그거 반은 더 들어. 아, 이거 보내요. 잠깐만. 이거 한번 들어와.
So if you stop, look at that white car, guys. The engine is now dead. Engine is now dead.
When you did?
Hey.
I know about it.
Yeah.
akatogara step omutara mukutoona formation here
Tuona munomubuda mudhara. That one is stuck there. Sorry. Professor Neraba. So if you are using a truck, it's a no-go area for you. Because all the trucks that I am seeing, you are trying to cross. There's no way for them. Money. It's different story for the trucks, guys. Look at that one. It's now stuck there. Never try to cross with a truck, guys. Never try to cross with a truck. You import another engine. You try to cross with a truck, you import another engine. Look at that one. It's now stuck there. That's the situation we have, guys. Just near Delta in Harare, Zimbabwe. And as for me, it's another story because my fuel is now at 0. Guys, from nowhere, it's just started raining. Yo! Want to see that Benz, guys? It's going to turn off that one, I can bet you. that bends, it won't cross. So these ones that you see on the other side, that's the ones that have crossed. Ndona msina kana boots mudhara. Bo. Ndona msina kana boots. Mana iwe iri mudhara. Atori maflats ka. Bo mudhara. There's no way for this car, guys. There's no way for this car. That offer is dead. The engine is dead. The engine is now dead, babe. It's done. It's done, babe. Because of these floods, guys. You're crossing at your own risk. Yeah, crossing at your own risk. As you can see, that Honda Fit, I don't think there is life for that Honda Fit. Look at that white car, guys.